Hi, can you tell me what you have there?
I have a fairy card.
What do you mean a fairy card?
It's a strawberry fairy.
Where did it come from?
I don't know, but
Well, where did you get it?
they're in the mail. And my card is very beautiful, and I do not want it to break. And you can take
Have you gotten any more cards?
Well, I don't know.
You haven't gotten any more cards in the mail?
I just got 2.
What was the other one? Who was that from?
Oh, the Almost 5 fairy.
What did the Almost 5 fairy look like?
You know that girl.
I saw the card, I think.
You did. And the Almost 5 fairy,
Yeah, what about her?
she would only give it to me
Yeah.
if there were big girls or boys, and that's all I want to say. Bye-bye.
So, I heard, the fairies told me,
What?
that you've been getting some mail.
Uh-huh.
What kind of mail?
Well, fairy mail. Well, I don't know what fairies are called, but I know one fairy that's, well, the really Fifi fairy and the Almost 5 fairy. And the Almost 5 fairy is up on my magnet board, you see. So,
That's the Almost 5 fairy? Wow, she's pretty, honey.
no. And so,
What else did the fairies send you?
well, cards and stuff, and I've been working on my birthday cards and stuff in goodie bags.
Okay, can we talk about that in 1 second?
Well,
Because I think you got some mail today.
okay.
What kind of mail did you get?
I got Hair of the Dirty Dog mail.
Tell me what kind of mail you got today.
Fairy mail, but I don't.
What did they send you?
A joke book.
And, are you going to tell me one of the jokes?
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Hutch.
Hachu.
Bless you. Again. Knock knock.
Oh, who's there?
Oh, Hutch.
Hachu.
Achoo. Why did the sun roll down the hill?
Why?
Because he just went, I think I'll go and issue for my home.
Hey, Bubba, can you tell me a joke?
Why did cowboy roll down the hill?
Why did the cow roll down the hill?
He didn't have any legs.
He didn't have any legs.
It's my turn now.
Okay.
So let me think of one. Aha! Why did Hello Kitty wear a costume?
Why did she what a costume?
Wear a bunny costume.
Why?
Because she went, Hello Kitty Schnitty. Why did the cowboys roll down the hill?
Why did the cowboys roll down the hill?
Because he didn't have any legs to walk.
He didn't have any legs to walk.
That was it.